Multi-axis high-precision CNC milling and turning is the most versatile production method for fabricating unlimited volumes of solid shapes made from the widest variety of raw materials. Here's why StarRapid offers a superior CNC machining service for projects of any size or complexity. To begin with, we assure your complete confidence in the quality of your raw materials by performing the most comprehensive, positive material identification using scientific test equipment. You'll have hundreds of standard metals and engineering plastics at your disposal, complete with full chain of custody and compliance reports. Next, we'll conduct a thorough design for manufacturing review and work with you to optimize your drawings to achieve superior quality and fast cycle times. In addition, we continue to make major investments in the finest high-performance machine tools, including DMG Mori milling centers, Sodic EDMs, and Tsugami Swiss lathes. These machines are further enhanced with Fanuc industrial robots to achieve maximum throughput and repeatability. And all of our CNC milling and turning centers exclusively employ Göring cutting tools from Germany for maximum tool life and a superior surface finish, even on hard metals like Inconel and titanium. Our systems are digitally tied together with Siemens NC software to eliminate bottlenecks and to distribute resources as efficiently as possible. That's how we achieve lean manufacturing discipline to save time and money on your projects. After multiple first article and inline inspections, final quality assurance on your parts is performed in a climate-controlled clean room using only the most advanced metrology equipment. In addition to this level of rapid response and performance, StarRapid has no minimum order quantity restrictions, making us an ideal partner when you want to scale up production from a single prototype to mass volumes. Contact us today to learn how we can help you achieve your product development goals.